If you are already running an Amazon business and using tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, Seller Board, and also other dashboards, then you probably know the struggle. Too many tools, too many tabs, too many dashboards, overall just way too much manual checking. And if you landed on this video, you are probably wondering if Sellerise can help you solve some of those problems. I'm going to be telling you why some experienced sellers are switching and how it can help you get a clearer, more accurate view of your business. So today I'll use the demo account to show you some of the most useful tools for experienced sellers. If after this video you want to try Sellerise for yourself, you should sign up for the free trial. And you can also use our affiliate link down below and the coupon codes OrangeKlik for 10% off your 12-month plan. So go ahead, click the link down below, and it will open exactly the same demo account that I'll be using so that you can follow along as I do it as well. But before we go into that, I want to just quickly explain why sellers that already have an existing Amazon business may consider switching to Sellerise. Experienced sellers usually have different tools for different things. One for sales, one tool for reviews, one tool for messaging, maybe one to help them manage inventory, and often also one for reimbursements to make sure that no damaged inventory, no lost inventory accounts for lost money. So this overall just creates a lot of friction and a lot of wasted time. And this is the problem that Sellerise really wanted to fix. He wanted to reduce this friction and really simplify everything around operations and about profitability, making it very clear and delivering it all together in one package. And for me personally, what I noticed with Sellerise versus some of the other tools is that the UI is much simpler. It's really intuitive and there is no lag. You open it and in one tab, you can see pretty much all of the most important information that you may need access to. I think the profit numbers are really, really important because not just the sales, right? But also that I can see in real time how much profit I am making in a given day, let's say. And they also offer in the same tool a lot of tools that competitors don't. For example, they have automated reimbursements, which, as you know, probably can save you a lot of money. You can see very clearly your inventory and also how healthy your stock levels are. Also very accurate profit accountability, considering your shipping costs, your PPC, refunds, and also all Amazon fees. So as a summary, many sellers switch to Sellerise because it replaces 2 or 3 tools that they already use. We are in Sellerise's demo account that you can access in the link down below or in their website so that you can see exactly what Sellerise offers. First of all, we land on the dashboard, which I absolutely love. It highlights actual profits. So a bunch of graphics that you can customize. So comprehensive sales, profit, net profit, taxes, FBA fees, margin, a bunch of different options. And here what we are looking at is we're looking at daily, so today versus previous period. And we can see our sales, how they are evolving, net profit, our margin, FBA fees, cost of goods, refunds, advertising costs, advertising units, the number of orders, units sold, subscribe and save program, stock shortage. So you can control all of these things and more. You can also personalize it to your needs. So here you also have a summary of what's happening. So you can see your live sales, live cost of goods, reimbursements, and how much you got in the last payout and when that happened. Also how today is going versus the previous period. So as you can see, the charts are pretty clean and very easy to analyze. And it provides a lot of clarity that I think sellers need, not just to see the sales as Seller Central shows you. Let's quickly jump into the inventory tab, the inventory features. Here you can find all of your products and a lot of information about each of the products. So you can see your available inventory, total of units that are being stored or being shipped to Amazon fulfillment centers. This includes the available unit plus the ones that are being shipped or transferred, how many units you're selling per day, average sales velocity of the last 30 days, and average sales velocity of the last 90 days, that you have an idea when you're likely to run out of stock, how many units you actually sold 30 days, 90 days, how many days of inventory you have left based on those sales velocities, how much this amount of units accounts in cost of goods sold, how much it accounts for in estimated sales, and estimated profit. And this part here is very important. This is where you input your unit COGS. This is what Sellerise uses to give you your profitability amount. So it's very important that you keep this updated with every shipment, that you know how much you are incurring in costs per unit, that you have an accurate cost estimation. You have your ROI, size tier of the product, storage fee, and manufacturer. And all of this for every single product, that you can come here and actually see what product is going really well, what product is not going so well, and how you stand with each of the top products in terms of inventory. Let's jump now into reviews. I want to show you the review dashboard. This is one of Sellerise's strongest tools, actually. So very important is that you can see your products and their rating now versus the rating 30 days ago, and how it is evolving. As I said, of course, you get notifications as soon as you got a bad review. And you can also analyze the reviews per product. So you can see here common phrases, the overall of the reviews, of course, how does it change over time. And my favorite part is here the goal calculator. So it tells you, considering your current rating and your currently rating amount, how many 5-star reviews you need to improve that rating, and how many 4-star reviews you need to compensate each 1-star review, and so on. You can also see your review gains, so the progress. Basically, it allows you to really deep dive into reviews, as I've never seen a platform provides such type of analysis of reviews before. Let's go now to the PPC dashboard. So very important to mention that this is not a PPC manager tool. This is a profitability focused view of your ads. So there's 2 different types of views: product performance and campaign performance. Product performance shows you product focus, how many impressions your product is getting, clicks, CTR average of the product, and then the ad sales, ad spend, basically all the way up to profit. For me personally, I prefer the campaign performance because that's how we set it up in Seller Central. You can analyze your campaigns and find which campaigns are draining your profit, essentially. So you can see which ones are costing you more and therefore being less profitable. Going into the finances tab, so it gives you a breakdown each day or a summary of last 30 days or custom range for the profitability and financial details of each of your products. My favorite view is the profit and losses view, because I come from a financial background, so I can see I sold this much and this is how much each of the costs breaks down, and all of the different things that come into my margin, and finally my net profit. What does it mean in terms of margin and ROI? In this case by month, but I can also choose to see it by day, by week, by quarter, by year. So I think it's really useful. And a good summary, it allows you to go into the detail of the product, campaign, and then it also allows you to see as a whole, how does your business look like in terms of financials. Finally, I just want to quickly show you the reimbursements dashboard, because that is also something that adds a lot of value and basically gets you money back without having to worry. It's always checking if any units got lost and submits cases automatically for you. So you can see here how much reimbursed cash you got already. And I really like the wrong FBA fees feature because it's checking where you may be over or undercharged, considering the dimensions of each of your products. So it's always checking like, okay, you're actually being charged $6 for this product, but because the dimensions are a bit smaller than what's reported, you should be being charged $5.70. And of course, if you are shipping hundreds or thousands of these units, it's going to add up to a reimbursement. So it submits that case for you as well that you don't have to worry about. Last thing to mention is the alerts, of course, smart alerts. So I think these 2 last things, the reimbursements feature basically makes you your money back, what you are investing in the tool automatically. And then the alerts as well is really worthwhile. So you can see, you can configure what will give you an alert. So in this case, the demo account has negative review on page 1. It's the critical alert. It's enabled notifications. Dimensions changed, buy box lost, hijacker, listing suppression, shipment requires additional information, stranded inventory, and so on. You can see all of the recent notifications, low inventory level, out of stock, seller feedback. You can see and control everything in this one dashboard. So as you can see, Sellerise's main USP and positioning is that they want to replace 2 or 3 tools that sellers usually use. So they want to offer one tool, one service that replaces a bunch of tools that sellers use. And it's also built around profitability as the center and also operation. So the daily needs that you have in order to scale faster. It has a very fast and very clean interface, and it offers a really smooth learning curve for you and also for the whole team, helping you deal with the daily operations of your business. It is very, very easy to set up as any other tool. It connects to your Seller Central within a few seconds, and it pulls all the data that it needs in order to show you the graphs and information that you saw on the demo account. I also prepared some usual questions that sellers that have a running business usually have about Sellerise. The main question is, sellers already have tools usually, and they ask themselves, like, do I need yet another tool? In this case, I would go over it in my mind in order to make my decision in the following way. So I would first look at the data that I'm getting from the tools I already have and pay for, and then ask myself if I see the true profit, like if it includes all of the costs and all of the reimbursements, all of the returns, so that I see also ads spend. If I see the true profit that I have on the tool that gives me this type of information. Another question that I would have is, does this tool give me real-time review alerts? And also if it provides me automated reimbursements. So if you have 2 tools and they do that, then Sellerise can do that, and it's just one tool. If you have one tool that does 2 of these but not the third, then Sellerise may be worth it for you to at least test, because you may not need to have so many tools. You can just switch to Sellerise. Another question that I think is very common is if switching to Sellerise from another tool will mess up your workflow. And in this case, I would say there is no problem with running Sellerise along with your current tools. They have 1 month free trial, so you can use this month to see if you can replace the current tools that you have or if it adds anything to what you currently have. So I would say it's really a no-brainer to just see if it does improve your workflow or if it hurts it. Finally, question number 3 is if Sellerise is worth the monthly cost that you pay for it. From what I could gather, most sellers actually cover the cost of the subscription out of the reimbursements that Sellerise finds and does automatically alone. So just with that alone, not considering the increase in information and the time it saves you and all of the operational optimizations you can do to your business, for example, just with the automatic reimbursement features, you can already make your money's worth. So definitely worth the cost, I would say. So if you want to try Sellerise, then you can find our affiliate link in the description. If you click the link, you go automatically to the demo account that you can play around with. You also have access to the 1 month free trial. And if after that you want to sign up, you can use the code OrangeClick for 10% off your 12-month plan. Let me know down below if you want me to compare Sellerise directly with any other tool. I can do that for you. Or if you want me to deep dive into review management, reimbursements, PPC profitability, any one of the specific features of Sellerise, I can also do that for you. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck scaling your Amazon business this year.